So, good day, ma'am. My name is John Lloyd Pibalat, and this is my requirement for my lacking on oral recitation on court. So, today I will be discussing about the non-institutional correction and provision of criminal justice system to comply my lackings on the oral for court. So, non-institutional correction is considered as the fourth pillar of the criminal justice system. It refers to the correction and rehabilitation of offenders without sentencing them into jail, or the offenders not placing to the or inside the prison. So instead of putting them in the prison, offenders are allowed to stay in the community and socialize while being supervised by the provision officers. So this approach focuses on the rehabilitation and behavioral reform rather than punishment alone. So one of the most important form of non-institutional correction is the provision. So what is provision? Provision is a privilege granted by the court where a convicted offenders are allowed to remain free under the certain condition of a provision, or in certain condition, and it the offender must follow rules and imposed by court on and report regularly to the provision officer. So history. Next is the history of the provision. Started in 1941 to John Augustus, known as the father of the provisioners, so who helped the offenders to reform outside the prison. So it was introduced in the Philippines uh, through the provision law of number 4221 or in 1935, but it was declared unconstitutional. Later on the provision law in 1976 or presidential decree um, 968 968 was enacted to become main law governing provision in the country. So it was later amended to Republic Act 10707. So once the provision is granted, the provisioner must follow a certain condition. So including reporting to the provisionary officer regularly, maintaining good behavior in the community, and avoiding criminal acts, and obeying all the lawful orders in the court. So failure to comply result to revocation of provision to imprisonment. So instead um, ma- instead of being free under the provision, if you acted a criminal act, you will sentence in the prison. So it was great great uh, it was very good for those who has good behavior, but uh, good behavior. So in conclusion, the provision is important part of the criminal justice system because it promotes rehabilitation instead of punishment, and it balances the public safety and compassion, which gives disqualify offenders the opportunity to change life while remain under the community. So thank you and have a great day, ma'am.